Okay, Livy, let's see if you can do it again. You go roll over for the camera. Yeah. Ooh. Kick, kick, kick. Yeah. Kick, kick, kick. It's okay, honey. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, you love tummy time. I know. You're not even on your tummy anymore. You're doing an acrobatic pose. Look at you. Look at you. Yeah. You just gotta put your arm up here. You just gotta put your arm up here. There you go! Yeah! You did it! That's a good girl! Yay! Yay! We love you, Liv. So proud of you. You're getting so big. 14 weeks old tomorrow.